Guys, it's a wedding proposal. Stop acting like it's a strippers club. Yeah. She said many, many things I could do for you if you let me do what I do for you. Farabalẹ̀ mi lọ́la o, yeah. A lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá dọ̀la, yeah. Yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yi-yi. Keep it on the low, my safari, yeah. Keep it on the low, my safari, yeah. Keep it on the low, my safari. Wait, son. Oh yeah, make a rap. I am Murphy for you. I'm a good boss.
God bless you all. Wasoga do. Do wasoga one. My brother, you don't try more converter. You know, say
converter, I beg.
You know, say life. If you don't tell you don't release song, you get as it be. Davido now. Wait now, Davido now. You don't tell where Davido drop song. Davido can't use brain. Instead to drop song, he can't go drop account number. People still download the account number.
But nothing for Tony Tetula to download.
But you see Vector, now the biggest rapper from Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, and worldwide. The most intelligent rapper where they use dictionary listen to his song.
Yeah. But Vector next time.
No, Vector too good, don't go play. Oh. No, seriously.
But Vector next time they not the hurry Bini. Now Bini, oh, now only Bini that they use Ogbolosu do masturbation.
Laugh now, brain now. If skin no full, no pull body. If skin no full, no pull body. Now one fat guy take go carry a shower go as he say skin full. He pull body now, body small. A shower now call the shower come up body job.
Now shower will you the crack oh. Because the only thing we feel funny now shower job.
I want to let me know.
People don't have.
Okay, good, right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to make welcome one of the baddest lyrical.
How many years Vector?
Assassin. One of the baddest lyrical murderer, one of the finest, the
ladies
dopest, the freshest. Ladies and gentlemen, please say, stand up,
Hey!
More than highlights now, more than nothing like this, more than highlights.
No, they're not this person for.
More than highlights now.
Everything on the do like Lagos, not team phone, no.
Highlights.
You're in the mix with DJ.
Highlights.
Not team phone, I beg.
Run it.
Baby City, please, with all maximum respect, I believe we can do this with a standing ovation, with a standing ovation, with a shouting ovation, with a clapping ovation. Rise up for the king, rise up for the king, rise up for the king, rise up for the king. Make some noise for Fighter, the Fighter!
I like that man. In the year, many things for social media. So before we go in, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Vector the Viper. I'd like to come perform for Benin because I started my career here. Yeah. I've been talking for Popori phone. Say, when I just signed my record deal that year with YSG, somebody just said, let's go to Uniben and start from there. So with the carry promo series, go the popcorn stand for Uniben. You were? Yeah. When I say Oshamo, you say Ondun. Oshamo.
I love Chris Rich.
Wait. You get one boy, now worry boy, name na Maxino. We get story to tell now about Lekki. If you they stay, well, if you be Benin person where they stay Lekki, you know say freedom way, no be freedom way. You know understand? So Maxino, you ready? Somebody give Maxino a mic. We're about to tell you a story. Oh yeah, DJ, let's go.
I love Chris Rich.
Play from the top, yeah.
No worry, we were telling a story, man, at the year.
Yeah. Certified.
Oh, you know.
Benin, what's happening? I see beautiful people everywhere, yeah?
Worry in the house.
Shout out to Worry, yeah? I don't feel it one way. Bless.
One way.
No, they follow
One way. No, they follow one way.
I saw the story go.
I love Chris Rich.
So I did for like yeah. 2 a.m. they go track my plug.
We don't wait for no clear.
Cause fuck what up because
I want to enter like key.
I know so them go check. So you guys find the cool.
Guys do what?
Guys find the tools.
So I put it in the back seat.
Squeeze face lock up. I sit down for the front seat. You don't go to Uber. Fuck about that. If you don't session, yeah.
For Chevron, that they wire.
Oh, she US States. I just let them fire. Lifestyle, cocky. My foes won't stop.
Like I should nigga riding dirty.
But I'm going with them.
I'll be sipping on anything.
Don't worry about you, I'm sipping on anything.
Yeah.
Very drill. On the fast lane and I move like an orange. Side, they don't say free. All they say is just stop up.
Holy bomb.
Like say you be thief.
Yeah.
But you don't go believe so. Make sure say you know fresh.
Already.
Make sure say you get small cash.
Make sure say you know blessing. If not, you go that new lesson. It's a lucky ekwe.
2 a.m. one go track your plug.
Freedom way no go clear.
Cause fuck yourself, you don't stand for them.
You dey try one enter lucky.
You know see them go set you.
So you can't spy the kush.
You guys find the tools, see, put it in. So, officer, what I'm trying to say is that the phone is not actually my phone. I want to help my brother to receive it, to give it to my other brother.
Yeah, Maxino here.
It's coming from my mother. First,
Maxino, I don't tell you, make it a day on G. Echo is local, see, no need to wait on me. Let us say you go to kaku yourself, yeah. Legendary when you play ball, when you go to kaku yourself. You don't have to marry yourself, ain't not new here. It's in a few years. Many I don't try to cry.
It's in a few tears.
Yeah, you gonna cut out like this. There's in a few fears. And 2020 is stretch already. Wait for a new year. So, if you went telling to the crib, somebody else who's been gonna tip. I ain't dealing with police for shit. I ain't dealing with police for shit. Everyone chill, watch your bill. Men and deliver. I am the MFM way. We can deliver. Clear.
My folks won't stop me. Trying to touch me, get ready dirty. And I'm done with the lean out Zanny. I'll be sipping on anything. For Maliko, I'm sipping on any king. This is the very dream.
Very dream.
On the fast lane and I move like a bus for
This side, they don't say freeze. All they say is just stop.
Search the fuel tank. Search the sweatpants.
Okay, so
don't put about the fuel tank. That's at our cast. Bless.
Yeah, wait for a second. She say many things I can do for you. If you let me do what I do for you. Farabalẹ̀ fún mi lọ́la, oh yeah. A lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá dọ̀la. Yippee-yi-yo. Keep it on the low, my safari, yeah. Wait, I need to capture this moment so everybody for Lagos will say and say Benin no dey carry last. We no really worry no dey carry last. Benin self no dey carry last. So guys, let's go. She say many things I can do if you let me do what I do. Farabalẹ̀ fún mi lọ́la, oh yeah. Yeah, yippee-yi-yo. Keep it on the low, my safari, yeah. I bust my head, dude. Yeah, king of the world, no throne fight. Future looking like it's never no night. I can't lose competition, should've known right. Y'all losing on purpose cause it's looking like a throne fight. I'm the hottest in the game, I'm the fire shit. You acting pussy, I run the kitty. Fire shit. The rap fire, every song is burning to me. So hot, when the devil dies, he's coming to me. We all making money, right? Kakao, yeah. Money talks, I'm trying to have mine speak like Sako, yeah. My bronze man can never be strong, man. Somebody should have warned, man. About this condo. Right there, looking like he cowhead. I did generosity, power like it. Hey, mafia and swagger, yeah, undo. If you ever said, believe the kingdom shit, shooting non-stop, almost see machine gun. Red like the door like ding dong. Beating on my chest, almost see king. You see this keep up with it, do you like Atiloku, my guy? My history go be like Alvan Ikoku, my crazy rapper, where they spoil another rapper, waka upon the money where they pay. You still don't do my guy? Shame, Lagos Island, I want to be more. Lafayette, red and white. I want to me walk. I want to me high. I want to me talk. Gunshots. I want to hit the floor. Heavyweights on the floor when I sail. I want to be shoro. Mama Jacko Jadejo. I don't care if you are Carlos Mr. Santana to handle my kind of skills. You need more than a second job. I can't shout, whoa. You're the chocolate shop. But I never run from a fight. You're the started job. Get your dog and some more. Keep on going with your job. But even DJ Snoop already knows that I'm a damager. Wait first now. Yo, my catch one groups with like this, because bro, Adura they come. Before we get to Adura, you know why we pray? You know why we pray Adura? And I say, how people go do the work when no day? How you want me to show the love when no day? How I want respect the boss when no they pay? How you want enjoy salary when they pay, no they take? Are they fear for the future of the now? Cause men know they chow, but we see us then they blow. If it better for every man and woman as a fact, wait, I wouldn't have to feature on this track. If to say life easy for the places like Ajay Gunle, or my boys for there, no go they spray bullet. And I wonder why the thief go they aim me now. You won't rob me? Yeah. Wait to they get another special request. But it's because it's Benin. Benin is home to the heart. They don't give me Benin name. They say my name now Oduare. Yes, nah. Yes, nah. Come worry now. Give me worry name. Bouncer tell me say make I do small. Say the ground they draw. Say money too much. Hey, King James, I greet you, bros.
I greet you, boss.
Me, I like make we carry everything come up for Lagos. You know understand? No be only Lagos people dey. People dey opinion, people dey worry. And because of the kind freedom we dey fight and we dey fight, say make everybody where they the oil producing region, make they see better life. You know understand? So I greet you, bro, especially.
Baba, greet you.
But I get one last. Wait. Somebody has a proposal this night. Somebody get proposal this night. Why are you holding your mouth? Are you here with your man? Are you here with your man? Is he proposing to you tonight?
My ovaries.
Somebody won't marry this night. He don't pick woman when go spend the rest of his life with this night. Wait. Murphy. Where is Murphy? Murphy, where you there? Please come on stage.
Murphy, where?
Wait. Murphy.
After party at JD Lounge. From here, all of us they go JD Lounge. Let's go and party.
So, bros, King James, you be pastoral comedian, so now you be the priest for this night. When I say I do, you don't go to say they don't.
Exactly.
Okay.
I will join them together.
Yes. What God has joined together. Okay, so it's a special night for Murphy and his woman. Murphy, where's your woman? Wait, DJ, hold on. Yeah.
Voila.
Yeah. Potpourri is the reason why we are doing this.
Voila.
Yeah. Murphy, please stay here. No, Murphy, you only, bros. No verse. Murphy, you only down here. And yes.
It's the machine.
Yeah. He say many things he can do for you if you let him do what he does for you. Farabalẹ̀ fún lọ́la, ẹ lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá dọ̀la. we have to say that they don't say Nigerian people know sabi romance. But now the hardship too much. They don't say we get romance. I promise, Papa. Why not? Not be stripper club we do now. Guys, it's a wedding proposal. Stop acting like it's a strippers club. Yeah. She say many, many things I could do for you if you let me do what I do for you. Farabalẹ̀ mi lọ́la o, yeah. A lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá dọ̀la, yeah. Yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yi-yi. Keep it on the low, my safari, yeah. Keep it on the low, my safari, yeah. Keep it on the low, my safari. Wait, son. Oh yeah, make a rap. I am Murphy for you. See, he admitted the cookie is the cookie. Say life's a gamble. He's talking to the bookie, placing all the bets, yeah. Any set, yeah. Oniru water side, any flex, yeah. No need to work out, many sweats, yeah. Another level, no fee matter any less, yeah. I'm telling you around the time to hear me best, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, early mama, take it in bed. Show me some love, make it sincere.
Congratulations,
if
mama.
If you like the king, take it instead. Don't you fake it instead. Make the thing spread. Yeah, early mama, take it in bed. Show me some
Congratulations.
love, make it sincere.
How do you feel now?
If you like the thing, take it instead. Don't you fake it instead. Ladies and gentlemen, I had a great time in Benin.
Just in case you don't know, it's McCoy again.
Okay, for you and for you. But
out of my croaky voice, we've been doing stuff.
Are you ready? Hey, we come. Okay, see. Hey, you. What do you carry for back? See business. You see sickness. You know they go house.
What's that?
You know they go down.
What's that?
After all of the flex and the stress, now you say you don't go come to the bed. See, I know they understand people nowadays. Anybody too sharp nowadays. Scam nowadays. It's all part of the plan nowadays. I met this one fine damn cello. See, as the movie they dance fellow. I ginger myself as a camp fellow. But if they remind me of cowbello, I say, she no talk hello. I tell them say if no money make you talk fellow. She say, is that so? What do you take me for? You want to tempt me with money so you can't divorce. She say she needs some care and she's serious. But it doesn't figure out see the period. I say true. Hey you.
What's that?
Hey,
what do you carry for back? What's that?
Hey,
free business. What's that?
Hey,
see sickness.
Yeah.
What's that?
See, you know they go house.
What's that?
You know they go down.
What's that?
After all of the flex and the stress, now you say you never come to the bed.
What's that?
See, guy man, now you clap pass. When you dey club, now you clap pass. And when you dey church, you know pop pass. You know the shame when it reach to the top ass. Oh Lord, me I know they judge you. Pop your rosé, now you know what's in the cost you. You be super eagles, you don't even need costume. Spray them away a perfume, but you dey owe money. What's that? Such a gbese before you come, you be athletes, you dey run things. The way you dey fuck up, you go born twins or maybe triplets. Sickness. The way you dey game, you na PS, I be ex-boss. Yes, boss. Oh, yes, okay. Can I pepper the Lexus? Wait. Everybody, let's go now. See, I don't know about you, but I'm the only number one from a 2, 3, 4. I'm Shell Kuti, man. I'm smoking rappers like the white or brown. Yeah, I do spit raw. See, I don't know about you, but I'm the only number one from a 2, 3, 4. I'm Shell Kuti when I'm smoking rappers. Tell me white or brown. Yeah, I do spit raw. Okay, tell me the stories I like to hear. I don't care about the one you like to share. If the one you like to share don't be caloos, then the time you want to share go need vamoose. Alaye jo. You want to toss us up. You know if you shoulder the weight, everybody jumps us up. It's too heavy for your head, man. Or your mind, break your neck, Bust the rhymes. Look, Arsenal fan, Bank bars in the fans, they hang around your neck, we call them chain bars. And I don't care if you getting money or bank cars. I'm really bad for your hustle, boy, I'm the game SARS. But rest in peace to the disease, and you can see the people bleed. This is what the people need, reasoning into a creed. Swear to remember to help the people reach lights, yeah, people reach lights. Look, see, I don't know about you, but I'm the only number one from 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm still Kuti when I'm smoking rappers, whether white or brown, yeah, I do spit raw. See, I don't know about you, but I'm the only number one from 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm still Kuti when I'm smoking rappers, whether white or brown, yeah, I do spit raw. See, I don't care what it is, boy, I'm the only number one. I still don't care about the person where they come. I still don't care about the person where they now. But I get one bad film where I try to shake it now. If you go like watch him, I go show you, you know go come. And if I tell you say I go show you, then you go watch him. I flow crazy and it's evident too. But this man is steady tripping like he's president too. And I don't care about your words. If you said it, then do. If not, no, the streets hot. Real gangs come to and make it. Wait, hold up. Are they versed for governments? Wait. Are they versed for government? You know why? Make I tell you why they vex for government. You go hear why they vex for government. So make I tell you. Oh yeah, they hear. Dreadlocks in a Benz car. Destination is damn far. SWAT team at the end part. What the fuck you mean? End SARS. Don't you care about lives lost? Don't you care about life's laws? Don't you love your own children? How would you feel if they knifed yours? The way I feel when they shoot the boys. Assault rifle, they shoot the toys. How did they feel when they saw it? The video. Because they saw a few more. The video. And they made blood art. The video. Because they drew more. Wait. All lies. Shena rumor. All lies. Shena rumor. She been at the headshot of the headshot. X-ray. Olekuro. Oh yeah, who came and stopped the party? Turned the DJ and switched the party. Flag with a green, but the white is with a red. This is the movie instead. The facts where nobody feel grab. Fashola used his hands. But on that note, I put my hand on my. When I see you move your, I put my hand on my. When I see you move your waist, see your body looking sharp. Share your body, razor blade. Make me one, go erase all the mother girls. Everybody, let's go now. That girl. Got it. She got. That girl. She wolu fili ganga. She mi le modek pelu kini gbangba.
Thanks for watching. I know you had a great time. Don't forget to put on your notification for more videos like this. Lekote, it happen here.